Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a spicy potato soup using 4 cups of cubed potatoes, 1 small onion and 2 ribs of celery that have been diced, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 can of Rotel tomatoes, 3 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce, 4 cups of beef stock, 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and I'll be starting off with 2 tablespoons of my favorite hot sauce, though you can vary this either up or down depending on how spicy you want your soup. Alright, with all that, let's go ahead and get moved over to the stove and I can start bringing this dish together. Here at the stove, I've gone ahead and added my beef into a Dutch oven, or a big cooking pot will work, and I just want to chop it up and get it all nice and browned up. Now that my beef's browned up, I've gone ahead and drained off all the residual fat drippings. And I'll add in my onion and my celery, the 4 cups of potatoes, tomatoes, and the 3 cans of tomato sauce. Next in is the 4 cups of beef stock. And the last 2 things in are the salt and pepper and the 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Once the soup comes up to a boil, reduce it down to simmer and allow it to simmer uncovered for 1 hour or until the potatoes are tender. The soup is thickened up nicely from the starch in the potatoes and they are nice and tender. The only thing left to do is to check it for seasoning, make sure there's plenty of salt and pepper in it, and if it's not quite spicy enough you can certainly add a little bit more of the hot sauce. But this is fine for now. I'm going to go ahead and get it plated up and I'll try it out. I'll be serving the spicy potato soup alongside some of my jalapeno garlic bread. Let's go ahead and dive in here and try it out. I'm very excited for this. It is a nice cold day and I would really like to be warmed up by a nice bowl of soup. This is a fantastic potato soup. This is the first time I've ever made one that had hamburgers and tomato in it, and I'm really quite enjoying it. The spice level is perfect for me, not too spicy. I do have a nice little burn going on in my mouth, which is quite enjoyable. If it got too much, just add a little bit of sour cream. That would kind of add a creamy factor to it, and it would help tone down some of that spice if you got a little heavy-handed with it. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you guys have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Walker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.